This is a pre-made extension cable with XT60 connectors at each end. It was sent to me to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $18. So the cable comes with a little Velcro cable organizer. And it has two individual strands here. They claim to be 12 AWG gauge. There's the connectors there. They're nicely molded into the wire here. And the two strands are kind of connected together with this flexible connector here to kind of give them a little bit of extra protection. But you do have, at each end here, maybe an inch or two exposed. So we have here one male and one female connection. And let's see what our ohm rating is. Alright, so that's 1/10 of an ohm resistance over the length of that cable, which seems pretty reasonable to me. And 1/10 of an ohm on the other connector as well. Polarity is correct. So yeah, that looks like a pretty decent cable. Let me see the writing here. So this says 12 AWG, 80 degrees centigrade, 300 volts, VW1, AWM. So these connectors are rated. Technically, a YT60 is a 60 amp connector. I don't think I'd want to put 60 amps continuously through a 12 gauge wire, but for a brief period of time, that should be perfectly acceptable. Pretty good length. It basically lets me charge my well pump backup battery from out here outside of the pump room.